A very good morning, Miss Haura. First of all, I would like to thank Alias Restaurants Group of Company for giving this great opportunity to develop Miracle POS system for Alias Restaurant Group of Company. I would like to introduce myself, Sidambaram Muthu, as a project manager for this project and also representative behalf Miracle POS System Company for today, and with Miss Vidya for this project.
Good morning to Ms. Aura. I am Vidya, the software developer of this project. We, Miracle POS System, has been developing POS system since 2010 for our clients. We are one of the top companies among our competitors. We are trusted developers and our clients have been satisfied with our work.
Beside that, Miss Aura, we will also complete the given project by promising time to our clients and satisfy their needs in the system. For example, the specification features on the system while technical support will be given on the time. Miss Aura, we would like to know how may we help you to develop the system for your business.
Good morning to Mr. Sitambaram and Miss Vidya. It's very nice to have you talk with me here. I am Aura, the representative for Alias Restaurant Group of Companies and the General Manager. We've been serving food and beverages in our restaurants since 2018, but lately our operations has been very busy, so that we have some problems and difficulties managing our operations and our inventories and data and workers that we share throughout many of our restaurants. That's why we've been discussing with the High Committee that we need to come up with a point of system. Oh, wait, point of sales. I'm sorry. I need to repeat that part. That's why we've been discussing with the High Committee that we need to come up with a point of sale system to help managing everything that we have in our restaurants, which is why we contacted you guys to talk about it today.
We do understand your problem, Ms. Aura. We are here for you. What types of features would you like to be in our system? So it would be more determined for us to develop a system to solve your difficulties.
Thank you very much, Miss Vidya. The way I think about it is that we have a couple of iPad or devices that have the system in it to help our workers. For example, if the customer come in, they will know which tables are still empty. It's almost like the movie theater. And then they'll be able to assign one of the empty table to the customer and then assign a certain server to the customer. And then the other thing, the grander thing that I was thinking about is that we have an iPad, a device on every table. So once a server is assigned to a customer, they will know the information of that worker from that iPad, from that device. So we need the information of every worker of our people to be saved in that system. And then after the menus and the inventory should be there also, so the customer will know what is available for them on that night or that day, and then they'll be able to make their order from that device, and then after that it will be sent automatically to the kitchen staff. There will be someone waiting, and then they will notify the chef and then the kitchen staff that there's a new order, and then they will update it, and then the customer will know that we're still processing their food. I think that kind of transparency will be very good. It's very interesting to have something like that. And so after the food is finished, the server will be notified, and then they will serve it to the customers, and then the customer will be able to pay from the system, from that device. If they use card or any other means of payment, they will be able to do it from the system. If they have cash, it's the server. Our server can help them to make the payment, and then later they will be able to input the data, the information of purchase into the system. And so yeah, besides the workers' information, the inventories, the menus for the night, we want the system to be able to save the information of our sales and then to generate a report. It can be daily report or weekly or monthly. It depends on what the high committee wants or the managers like me want to do. And in addition to that, of course, the accessibility level should be divided because we don't want the customers to know our reports, our sales reports, and some workers may not have access to that also. And besides that, I think security is always important, and backup system is also important because we are going to use the system to help with almost all of our operations. So it's important to have a backup data because we have a lot of restaurants, we have so many data, and also a recovery system is important because we're going to always use the system. So if at one point there's some fault and there's some errors, we needed to be able to recover really quickly so we can continue with our operations. And then I think another thing to think about is the design. The design, we want it to be simple but not basic, or make it classy, if you will, because a lot of people will be using it. And I think we want some instructions to be in there also because the customers may not know how to use technology. I think pretty much that's what I want. I know that's a lot of things, but yeah, it's something to think about.
Okay.
That's cool, Miss Aura. We can solve your difficulties with our miracle POS system. We will be the solution for your problem. We can develop a system based on your requirement.
So all good, Miss Vidya. May I know the duration you need for building the system?
Mr. Silumanam, within 3 months should be great for us to build this system.
Is there some possibilities that we can get it within 2 months?
We apologize for the inconvenience, Miss Aura. We required at least 3 months duration to complete this system since the features are quite complicated.
Nothing to worry, Miss Aura. Quality projects takes time, but we promise to deliver a system to solve your difficulties and makes the more operation more easier.
Everything sounds great. Shall we discuss about the estimated budget now for the system?
Thank you, Miss Aura. The estimated budget will be Malaysian currency 40,000, while the charges for technical support for every year is excluded.
Mr. Chitambaram, alias Restaurant Group of Companies, only allocated 30,000 for this. Can you possibly reduce the budget?
It is possible, Miss Aura, but we will reconfirm it on our next meeting, while we will come up with a project plan for this development system.
Thank you very much for the time that you've allocated for me to talk about this project. Alias Restaurant Group of Companies will appreciate everything of your effort. Thank you very much. I can't wait to work with you guys again and to know the progress of our project.
Welcome, Miss Aura. It's our responsibility to satisfy our clients' needs.
Welcome, Miss Aura. Thanks once again for choosing us as a solution for your problem. Had a great time with you. You may contact us through 0382932200 or mail to mpos@gmail.com regarding any issues further. Thank you.